Hi, I'm Betsy Penson, and I'm the General Manager of Heritage Mall. Once a year, we host this awesome event where the community comes together to help kids in need get ready for back to school. Our stores open early. Altrusa of Albany raises money all year long to give each child, each one of 325 children, a gift card to shop, and they each get $125. They get a backpack full of school supplies. It is so overwhelming to see the community come together like this. 325 volunteers shop with the kids. The parents all get their kids here. It's just really an overwhelmingly wonderful show of community spirit.
Is funded by community members, businesses, folks just sitting at home that want to help out. They send us as much money as they can afford to, and we use all of that to take these kids shopping. Heritage Mall helps out a great deal by opening the mall to us early on a Saturday morning in August. And other agencies are here with us. We've got some banks, we've got different businesses that come out early in the morning to help us put this on. And it's an amazing event. So many people are touched by it throughout our community.